BMW X5. This is the headlight module. Take a look at this thing. Complete meltdown. So I don't know if this thing is even salvageable, but we'll give it a shot. So I ended up getting another one from the salvage yard. Ended up getting it with harnesses. So we're going to have to try to trace down some of these burnt up wires. I don't know how deep it goes or how far. I mean, it could have fried the engine computer, anything. Body control module, I don't know. It starts, air's cold, goes into gear, and it has no throttle. So it'll just sit there and idle, give it gas, it won't move. It'll just roll a little bit with the transmission in gear, and that's it. So it's obviously affecting something, pop some fuses or relays, but I'll give you a deeper look here. Had to pry these plugs off because they were melted. So let me show you. These wires are all burnt up in here. And pulled this out from under there. It looked like it got the carpet. These are all grounds here. These are grounds here. They're hot on the other side, it looks like. Yeah. But these are grounds. This here was just in here. Like that. So, but anyway, most of those grounds run down to here. So, we'll see what happens. I'll see if I can trace some of these down. I don't know how deep there. It could be missing burnt up wires all the way up through the harness. So I'll keep you posted and let you know if it makes it to the junkyard or if it's fixable.